Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to unhide hidden posts on Facebook. It's a very simple hack. First of all, you log in your account into the Facebook. Then you simply press on your profile icon. Then scroll down and go in the settings and privacy. In settings and privacy you can open the settings. Then open the profile settings. Scroll down and just press on activity log. And scroll down, simply press on that arrow in logged actions and other activity section. Here you can see the option of hidden from time profile. You can press on that. Then here you can see all the posts you can just hidden from your profile. Simply press on the three dot option and press on add to profile. Then you are able to see this post on your profile. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.